Welcome to our tutorial on how to make multiple YouTube channels with one Gmail account. 1. You can go to YouTube account settings. And in the option ADU or manage your channel, you can add a new channel name from the same account. 2. YouTube will also ask for mobile verification and your channel is all ready to upload. 3. You can also switch accounts from the settings and you can manage multiple accounts from there. 4. This video will solve your basic queries like how to create multiple channels under one Gmail account and how to create more than one channel and optimize it perfectly. You have learned how to make multiple YouTube channels with one Gmail account. Thank you for watching our guide.